Do you own a Jeep Wrangler? Planning for a road trip this weekend with family or friends? Are you wanting to remove and store your Jeep Wrangler Hardtop so you can enjoy the fresh air? Not sure how to do it? Well, removing the hardtop on your Jeep Wrangler doesn't have to be a struggle. We will show you how easy it can be done with the J-BARR. The J-BARR is the ultimate Jeep Wrangler hardtop removal hoist and storage system. With its patent-pending design, it is a truly an all-in-one solution to easily remove and store your Jeep Wrangler hardtop. Better yet, we sell full kits that include everything you need. The J-BARR is powder-coated with a finish that will last for years. It fits both 2-door and 4-door Jeep Wranglers. And with its all-aluminum frame, it is not only strong but lightweight as well. Are you ready to take the top off your Jeep Wrangler? Don't waste another minute and order the J-BARR today and enjoy that fresh air. Visit us at www.j-barr.com.